Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for complex number. So the complex number z is given by the situation here. Find the modulus and argument of z. So if you notice that here we consider as the polar form. Same goes to this part as a polar form. So what we have to do is to convert the polar form to the Cartesian form. So how to convert into the Cartesian form? Very easy, just to expand the situation. So by referring to the special angle, we have cos pi over 3. When we know that pi over 3 actually equals to 60. So if we have the cos 60, so means that we have the situation. Here we have SET2 bracket, here we have 1 over 2 minus. For the sine 60, we know that based on the special angle, which is square root of 3 over the 2i. Over, so if cos 45, we have the square root of 2 over the 2, plus we have the square root of 2 over 2 as well for the sine 45. So now we have the situation. Try to expand the situation given. So we have square root of 2 over 2 minus the situation. We have square root of 2, square root of 3 over the 2i over. We have the square root of 2 over 2 plus with the square root of 2 over 2i. So try to simplify the situation. So for the situation z, we have square root of 2 minus the square root of 2 square root of 3i over the 2 over. We have the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2i over the 2. If we simplify, automatically we will have square root of 2 minus the square root of 2 square root of 3i over the square root of 2 plus with the square root of 2i. So that would be the simplest form. So next, we can factor out the square root of 2. So in here we have 1 minus the square root of 3i over. So for the bottom part, we also have the square root of 2. So we have 1 plus with the I. So now we can simplify. So when we simplify, we have 1 minus square root of 3i over 1 plus I. So multiply by the conjugate. Here we have 1 minus the I over 1 minus the I. So we expand the situation. Then we have z, which is equals to 1 minus the I minus the square root of 3i. And then we have the situation minus the SET3 over. Make use of the formula 1 plus with the 1. So z will be equals to 1 minus square root of 3 plus we have negative 1 negative square root of 3 bracket I over the 2. Rewrite the situation. We have 1 minus square root of 3 over the 2 minus we have bracket 1 plus with the SET3 over the 2i. So that will be the Cartesian form. Refers to the calculator. Actually z, which is equals to negative 0.366 minus 1.366i. So next, what we have to do is to focus on the modulus of the z. So since we have the z, so now we are going to find the modulus of z. Modulus of z, where we have square root 1 minus SET3 over 2 bracket square, plus we have the situation 1 plus with the SET3 over the 2 square. So the modulus of z will be equals to square root of 2. Next is to find the argument. So first of all, we have the step argon diagram. So the location of the z is located at the third quadrant. So here will be the basic angle. So here will be the z. Second step, we have the modulus of z, where we have square root of 2. Third step, we are going to find the tangent alpha, which is equals to, do remember, ignore the negative sign. So if we ignore the negative sign, then we will have the situation 683 over 183. So the basic angle would be 75 degrees. So in order to find the argument, step number 4, argument of z, where we have negative 180 plus with the 75. So the answer will be negative 105. So argument of z in the form of radian, 105 multiply with the pi over 180. So the answer will be negative 7 over 12 pi in the form of radian. So if you want to express in the form of decimal, it will be negative 1.83 radian. So the question asks us to find the modulus of z and also the argument of z. So if you want to express in the form of polar form, so the z will be equals to square root of 2 bracket. So here we have cos bracket negative 7 over 12 pi plus I sine bracket negative 7 over 12 pi. So that would be the polar form. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.